Hello guys and welcome back to Let's Talk by George. In today's video we are going to review a new ROM called POSP. Well, POSP is not a new ROM, but yeah, we are going to test the POSP version of Android 12 on a device Redmi Note 5 Plus wins. And the ROM is being compiled by our friend Mr. Aditya. So let's begin the review. Okay. Now the ROM is vanilla and I have installed or I have flashed BitGapps. I don't know whether it was the latest version or the old version, but however I'm using BitGapps with the ROM. So let's begin with the quick settings panel. As we can see that POSP is not offering you a lot of customization, but yeah, some customizations are there. But POSP is famous for its own smoothness. Now I have not yet connected my device to the internet since this is a test build and I'm posting a review on the test build. Well, mobile data was working fine and I could see that Volite was also working fine. Now I'm in a place where Airtel doesn't have Volite reception. So basically about the launcher, it's using the traditional launcher which is for Android 12. So we all are familiar with the traditional launchers. I mean, if you go to widgets, you won't get the pixel widgets. I mean, the Android 12 clock widgets and all. Since this is vanilla version, you just get the basic clock and basic widgets. Now moving on to the gallery, you have the regular gallery over here, so we don't have much options with the gallery and all, so it's just using normal gallery. And the dialer is AOSP dialer plus messages, AOSP messages. So basically the basic message stuff that you get in every ROM and stuff like that. So let's go and see if the dialer has recording option available. So yeah, recording option is not yet supported by the dialer, so that's a bit drawback. And the default camera app with this particular ROM is Google Camera Go, and we can see that POSP have custom icons for specific apps. So basically we have a couple of app icons over here. Now for the customization part of POSP, you get Fries app. So this is Fries up, but let's keep it aside and we will move on to Fries up later on. And let's go to the settings and see how the layout and stuff like that all. Well, as I've told you earlier, POSP is not a lot of customization oriented ROM and they have implemented a lot in the system user interface. As we can see that it is all having the basic functions or whatever the stock function that comes with the Android 12 ROMs are present over here. Yeah, you get an option to enable and disable battery percentage and further down sound, all the basic stuff that you are getting. So wallpaper and style over here, you don't even get themed icon over here, and you don't get any more inbuilt things. I mean inbuilt wallpapers. So that's it. Then going further, you have accessibility. I mean, this is same like whatever you get in the other ROM. And finally we have the gesture options under system, and even though even under the gestures we don't get any options for any sort of customization. So that's it. Now let's boot up Fries. Let's go to Fries. I mean, Fries, yeah, name is a bit funny, but that is where you get the customization options. So basically I believe they are still working on adding the features to the ROM. So basically you don't get a lot of customization option. In quick settings panel you get a blank screen, so maybe they are planning to add something. And the second option is system. You get a 3-finger screenshot and you can adjust the navigation bar length. As you can see down here, the white bar, it changes its size. Yeah, so that's it. And the themes, well, you get something for the themes. You can use custom colors. If you want to use that, definitely you can do that and select a color. Let's see if we can input some color, EB0029. I guess this is something that is, yeah. So basically you can override the colors, use accurate shades. Okay, So basically, if you want to use that, if you want to use custom colors instead of the default wallpaper color, definitely you can do that, and it is working fine, as you can see over here. And moving further downwards to the status bar, you get nothing, and keyguard, you get nothing. But yeah, I do agree with you that the ROM is completely maybe in the development stage. Well, you have a wonderful wallpaper over here, but still the ROM is pretty much smooth and stable. I mean, I didn't get any issues by from the ROM side or from the tree side. Everything is just fine. You can see the scrolling is very smooth, and the app launching is pretty much fast. It is smooth too. You get some basic customization. You are missing network speed indicator, and you are missing quite a lot of customization from POSP side. Maybe they will add more customization in future. We do not know about it yet, but yeah. Well, it's a wonderful ROM. This is all I can say. I mean, even the battery draining is pretty much good. Let me see if I can show you the graph. As you can see over here, screen used 13 minutes from 100%. Yeah, I do agree that there is a small amount of idle drain. I think it is because of my network issue, because I'm having poor reception for Airtel in my area, so maybe it is because of that. Other than that, I don't have any complaint with the ROM. The ROM functions very smooth, and thanks to Mr. Aditya for compiling it for Wins. And yeah, it's great experience to have this ROM being booted onto our device. It's smooth ROM, it's a stable ROM, it's minimal in customization, so you can expect a lot of stability, and it's really wonderful to use. What are my final verdicts? I mean, if you just want to have a different experience, you can definitely have it. So that's my final verdict, and it's pretty much stable and smooth for daily usage too. Once again, I would like to thank you for watching this video, and please make sure that to subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon so that you won't miss any updates. Thank you.